Positive lowers blood pressure and helps you live a longer life. So just take a deep breath, hold it for a couple of seconds, now slowly let it out and say, I can do this. Yes, I can do this. You can do it. Happy Saturday, everyone. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. We do have a longer weekend since it's President's Day. A lot of people will be off work on Monday, and I don't believe the post offices will be open, so any packages will have to wait until Tuesday to be mailed. So sit back with your cup of coffee. I have my Retro Specs cup here. You can find these cups available on my website at retrospecs2024.com. But today I want to talk to you about Fire King. So, Fire King glassware. Let's get right into it, shall we? Okay, here's what's selling on my eBay page right now. Let me enlarge it if I can. Okay, I have 4 pieces actually of the Fire King. I have a vintage milk glass hobnail planter. It's Fire King USA with a faux plant. I'm selling that one for $25, or best offer. Next, I have the vintage Fire King milk glass divided oval baking serving dish with the reversed logo on the back. Made in the USA, and that's $24.98. I have 2 of the, vintage Fire King ovenware peach lusterware in the Laurel pattern, and you can call it a teacup or a coffee mug. There's a set of 2, and let's see here. The price I have on that is $21.95. And finally, I have the Anchor Hocking Fire King White 22 karat gold rimmed egg platter. It holds a dozen eggs, and that one is for $20. And I'm going to show you all of those live right now. Okay, and here we go. I have 2 of the Fire King books too that I've been researching and doing some study about, so I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about the Fire King Anchor Hocking line. So the Anchor Hocking Glass Corporation was founded in 1905 by the Hocking River in New York. It was a pressed glass company best known for its Fire King glass, and it was manufactured between about the 1940s through 1976. So if you do have any of the Fire King glass, you should know that it is vintage. And did you also know it was the same company that produced the much sought after Jade-ite glass? Yeah, so if you have any of the Jade-ite dishes, those are also Fire King, Anchor Hocking. And I want to show you a few pictures too after I show you these 4 items in live. So here is the divided dish, and it does have the reverse logo on the back. And here is the Anchor Hocking egg platter with the gold rim, and it does not have a logo on it. Okay, we have 2 of the lusterware. I like to call them teacups, or some people call them coffee mugs, and it has the Laurel pattern in the lusterware, and it says Oven Fire King Ware on the bottom. And then finally is this little planter. It does have a removable faux plant, so you can take this out and put in whatever you want. And also it says Fire King on the bottom. If you're wanting to know more information about Fire King and the pieces, I do suggest that you get a book like this. These are my own 2 personal copies, so I'm not going to sell those. They're very valuable to me. But I wanted to show you a couple of the pages on the inside. I just got this little one here to show you. It shows the divided dish right here. Now this book was made back in 1992. So in 1992, let's see here, the divided casserole dish was $7 to $9. $7 to $9 on that back in 1992. So keeping your vintage dishes, yes, you can get a profit out of them. And the peach lusterware, 3 peach lusterware cups, they were made between 1951 and 1965, and they were $5 to $7 each back in 1992. So this is an excellent book. Try to get your hand on a copy of them. Did you know they had the polka dotted dishes? Polka dot on white geese jar, $36 to $42. Let's see here. The Black Dots 3-quart mixing bowl was $26 to $36, and that was in the 90s. Oh, and this is one I wanted to show you. The measuring cup. If you have the 16-ounce measuring cup commemorating 50 years of Fire King, now back in 1992, this was going for $14 to $17. So you have a really good profit here. There's some of their mixing cups. Or measuring cups, I'm sorry. Did I say mixing cups? I meant measuring cups. Let's see here. Of course, they've got all of the anchor hocking stuff. Sorry, I just knocked over my bowl here. Here's some of the Jade-ite, I believe. Jade-ite skillet, 1940s to 50s. And this was going for $82 to $87 back in 92. So that would be a very expensive piece if you have it now. And just to show you the front cover here of some of the things that they have on Fire King. So yes, look for Fire King when you're out thrifting, because there's some good money to be made in it. There's a lot of people who collect Fire King glass dishware. Okay, well, thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a blessed weekend. Take care. Make sure you like and subscribe, and be part of the Retro Tribe. Goodbye. Hello. Today I want to talk to you about diminishing those negative thoughts and thinking positively. The first thing you must do is tell yourself, I can do this. Yes, you can do it. When life hands you lemons, make lemonade. And for those who think that you can't do it on your own, here is some inspiration from higher up that may help you. In the Bible, Mark 9:23 says, if you believe, all things are possible. And John 11:40 says, if you believe, you shall receive. Focus only on the positive. Focus only on the good things. Challenge yourself to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Practice mindfulness to stay in the present. Don't be overwhelmed. Don't try to do it all at once. Take baby steps. That means make a checklist. Check things off one at a time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed our little talk about positivity and how to think more positive. Just knock those negative thoughts right out of your head. If you have to, say, I rebuke you, negativity, in the name of Jesus. That's what I do. All right. Well, have a blessed weekend. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.